Oh no! What happened? Look at this junk over there. Whirlpool, Kenmore, what's the other brand? KitchenAid. I believe they have the same kind of racks and same company. Like, I know this thing's dirty, but they had a part like this, and the wheels break off. You can get a new plastic piece aftermarket, or you can just get a kit. There's two styles. There's big wheels and small wheels. These are big wheels, and you get yourself a new kit. Whole different style. Metal brackets. It's broken back here too. It's junk, but that's a simulation of what happens when the rack falls off. It's really not fun. Got one side off. Okay, that's all off. But to get the wheels out, I have this weird clip over here. You push on that tab, comes off. Big wheel. Big wheel. Alright, outside there's probably gonna be noise out here too, but it's just a noisy place. You have to get this whole assembly out. I know it's destroyed, isn't it? This thing's ready for the junkyard, but there's a shortage of everything. And you look at this in the light, it's like, how is this thing even this funky? It's disgusting. I don't know what. Nobody cares. I'm embarrassed to almost show how nasty this thing is. Half of it's the water though here too. The water's just terrible. It's poisonous water. But you have to bust this off. It's a clip. So you have to get the adjuster off. And then you have to install the new kit. So I'm trying to do this one-handedly. But it will bust off if you keep prying on it over here. Release, there we go. Release tabs are over there in the bottom corners. It's gonna see more scales coming off. Oh my god. This is gonna be the world's nastiest one. That's the other part of it, the inside. You don't need any of these pieces. And then you have to get the clips off, which is here and there. And then this piece will come off. Remember how many spots you were. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. Unless you want to move it forward or not. If you want custom install. So remember that. Alright, pop this clip, Yeah. Why if your dishwasher is like fairly old like this one is, I wouldn't really recommend is getting a replacement part because everything else is going to be broken and brittle. But yeah, that was, what is it, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 off. There we go. Scary. Okay. Let's go get scrub your racks. I know, right? It's just keeping these things together, though they're rusting too. It's bad water. Let's go get our new parts set up. This has to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Does it go? Oh, jeez. Does it go this way or that way? I think it goes on the outside. I can look at the directions again. It might go this way. And then the clippy doos on the other side. Yeah, something like that though. Okay, this piece doesn't go on the outside, it goes on the inside. So tilt it. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's your orientation. Just let it chill. Then we need some clips. It comes with screws. This is the OEM kit. I'll show you the part number. I wouldn't buy the Chinese one because they use lower quality hardware and it rusts. But you can do whatever you want. I bought the OEM one. It's like around like 40 bucks. These clippy doos gotta lock in. You see the little tab? It locks in with the window hole on those things. It's pretty straightforward. Has to go down, yeah, because that's gonna fit in over there. Hole, metal, see what I'm saying? I don't know how to get it in. You gotta give it a turn. And then this was really hard one-handedly. And then clip. I might need two hands to clip it. I got this on backwards? Hold on. No. Tabs that way. Yeah, I need two hands though to square it up. Because it goes in one hole and you see it comes out the other. But you'll get it. Like that. Click it. You need two hands, you gotta support that, and it goes in squarely. And that should slide up and down. Now we get our... I should have did an overview of all the pieces, but I'm kind of rushing this. I have to do this outside, all the noise in this place. This goes in this way, and it also slides in. Has to slide on the track, this piece inside. So it's kind of a bulkier, maybe not, than the OEM one, where it's stronger. But yeah, you have to slide this metal into the tracks. See the tracks? Boom. And line up all the things. It has to go in straight. I started it. Boom. And boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. And that's probably on that top rack, that little window over there. I think. Look at the funk on these things. This is screwing up our fitment. I had it wrong. So first of all, you have to put the finger thing in. This piece you'll see in your kit. It's the one with the finger. It goes in front, a little thumb tab. Fight that in there. Then I had it wrong. You see the cutout in the plastic? It's going to mesh in with that one. And then once that's all in there, this thing is so funky, I know. The cap goes on. And they give you 2 screws. And there's a tab over here, so that tab has to go under that rack. I'm not going to push it yet, just showing. And that's kind of like your finished deal over there. Yeah, and it was this color, and now it's this color. Wow. Wow. A simple job though. This takes a couple of minutes. This is tricky. Kind of visualizing. It doesn't come with directions. The Chinese kit does. OEM kit does not. But this is a very, very common thing to break. And again, I wouldn't get the Chinese one. But this gives you this piece over here. You see the tab breaks. I was thinking about, well, you don't really have, no, you really can't. Because look at that. I was thinking about that. Just put a big washer or something, put a nut and bolt through it. You know, cut that off. Washer, nut and bolt. What? Yeah, no, it's going to block over here. See, it wouldn't work. Wouldn't work, so. You told me to clean the racks, huh? Alright, I cleaned the racks. Now I can put it back together. It's going to slide a lot better now with that filth off of there. Where's that piece? Oh, this way. Come on. The other ones used to stick because they were that messed up. Hold on. Yeah, that's zoomed out. The tab has to go in first. It's the first time I'm doing this, but you probably will be too. There we go. Now it clicks in better. Now you get 2 screws. Very cool. If you don't own Torx, I do, because I have like everything. I have a Torx to Phillips adapter in this kit, the little black thing. I think the Chinese kit as well, they kind of skimped out. They gave you lesser quality hardware. But here's a Torx. I don't know what size Torx that is. Maybe like a T15 or something it looks like. Not sure in the Phillips. I have a Torx, but I'm not opening my garage. I'm finding it right now. Maybe I should. What size Torx? It's a T15 like I guessed. Well, I'm good. Yeah. So in case that doesn't come with the tool, you need a T15 Torx driver. Should own a set of those anyway if you think about fixing anything these days. Cool, that seems to work, I guess. We gotta test our racks when they're tightened. Well, that's obviously this way it locks it. Let's check it. I know you wanted to see the filth again, but yeah, it's only 2 position. Like I said, I would recommend not buying the Chinese kit that kind of looks like this, because if it has any age on it, you see the crack over here, it's pretty much done. Yeah, it's only 2 position. I thought it was like unlimited positions, but it's not. I could have swore it was like 2 or 3 positions. I guess not. It goes up and down though and locks. Looks a hell of a lot better than this. Yeah, alright, cool. Alright, tighten the Torx screws too. They're kind of thread forming. If you're not familiar with thread forming screws, you kind of got to give them a little oomph to get them in. But there's your finished product. New style, heavy duty for trashy, destroying people, and old style, which likes to break. Let's go do this side. Try to do it faster. Part number is W10712395. Again, this is the big wheel version, kind of like the donkey people these days with the big wheels and the caprices. Okay, big wheel. They also make a little one, so you must verify that. Little one kind of almost looks like that. Like seriously, you see the inside diameter? They're much smaller than these. You'll just notice that when you pull them out. Again, what's that diameter? I don't know. You can go be the judge. It's about an inch, and the smaller one is an inch on the outer edge. All right, let's go get this one off. Pry. I'm getting bit by bugs out here. Pry. That's the trick, the two corners. And then this, boom, boom, boom. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And the whole old assembly comes off. Probably save those wheels. I think they fit on the newer one, in case they ever were to break. New one of these too. I'm gonna look at the part number. Maybe. We got 3 different part numbers. It's all blown out in the back. So count again. 1, ha ha ha, 2 ha ha, 3 ha ha, 4 ha ha. Put it in there at an angle. Get it in there in the back. Not the front, back end. Clips. You got it. I think I'm gonna quit here. Easy. Throw away the old parts. As we were assembling this side, yeah, we kind of cleaned it compared to the other one. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever. Hopefully this helps fix your dishwasher, because buying stuff right now in 2021, you can't really find anything for a good price or in stock. You must wait, fix what you have. And if someone totaled out their dishwasher because the top rack broke, it's kind of silly, but probably someone has thrown it in the trash and spent hundreds of dollars because the rack broke. I fixed this dishwasher many times. Leaks, this, many times. Okay, let's get this, and I need 2 hands. Alright, hope it helps. List the part number in the description. And I would honestly advocate getting the OEM part. Use a deal if you have one, credit card deal, Amazon deal, whatever. I think this was $19 off using Amazon points. I bought it from Amazon. It shipped fast, reliable seller. We'll link it in the description. Everyone else wanted more money on the internet. I'm getting so excited. It goes in so much easier now that we know how it goes. Again, the big clip goes over here. Cut out. On the back clip, that's locked in. Now we gotta put a weird little finger thing in. The finger! Where'd my hardware go? Hardware's over here. Finger, I should have put that in first, really. We'll get it in. Trick is just push it all the way down so you have more flex, and then you can, if it's up you can't do it, but if it's all the way down, you can put the finger in, and that stays fine. Yeah, I guess that is it. Yeah, that little tongue locks into there. Only 2 adjustments, 1, 2. That little finger locks into that square and this square. That's how it functions. I didn't really notice. Now we gotta pull up on this so it goes in the hole. That's all nicey. And put our cap on. And T15 Torx again. Cap. So easy. I thought it was a worse job. This is very simple. I've done way more complicated crap than this. Alright. Good luck fixing it. Remember, big wheels and small wheels. That's the biggest thing. And for the internet hater who says that I didn't tighten the screw. Didn't show tightening the screw. There we go. Someone will say, I didn't show putting it back in. Oh, come on. Just leave it all the way in and then stick it in. Junk. That's what there's two holes over there for in that back valve thing. One for the top, one for the highest. Interesting. These things are pretty funky. They just go on like... I didn't break it, did I? That was maybe the other side. Was that the other side? I think they're both the same side. Are they side specifics? It's kind of tricky to go on. There we go. And then you gotta move that tab over. And the tab locks. Boom. Other side. Other side. These also break. So if you break one, you can get a replacement. I had these off too many times. One fits tighter than the other one. I remember this. Oh, wrong way, dude. I'm trying to put it on backwards. Oops, out of frame. And done. Done.